Planning a trip to Vietnam? In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to prepare, from documents, currency and climate, to local customs. Let Asia Pioneer Travel guide you toward a safe, smooth, and unforgettable journey. 1. Must-have documents. Before your trip, make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months and obtain a Vietnam e-visa if you haven't arranged a visa on arrival. It's a good idea to carry printed and digital copies of essential documents like your passport, flight tickets, and travel insurance. But here's the good news. If you book a tour with Asia Pioneer Travel, you don't have to worry about any of this. We'll take care of the e-visa application and all the travel formalities for you. 2. Currency and payment. Vietnam uses the Vietnamese dong. In rural areas or local markets, cash is still king.
Vietnamese dong, one of the world's most interesting.
But in larger cities, credit cards are widely accepted at major restaurants and hotels. Be sure to carry small bills and don't exchange too much at once. You'll end up with a thick wad of notes. And remember, the dong cannot be converted outside Vietnam. Try to use it all before leaving. 3. Health and safety. We recommend getting vaccinated against hepatitis A and B, typhoid, and tetanus before traveling. If you're taking any prescription medication, bring enough for the entire trip, as specific brands might not be available here. And most importantly, travel insurance is a must. It's required for all Asia Pioneer Travel clients and offers peace of mind for any unexpected situations. 4. What to pack. Vietnam's weather varies across the country, but overall, it's hot and humid. Pack light, breathable clothes. If you're visiting the north in winter, bring a jacket or sweater. An insect repellent is useful for forest or mountain trips. Don't forget strong sunscreen. The sun can be intense, especially during the dry season. Also, Vietnam uses 220V electricity and mainly 2 round pin sockets, type A, C, or F. Be careful if your device is only compatible with 110V. Plugging it in without a converter can cause damage or even fire. A small day pack, earplugs, and a sleep mask will also make train or overnight trips more comfortable. 5. Staying connected. Buying a SIM card at the airport is simple and affordable. Viatel, Vinaphone, and Mobifone are the main providers. Free Wi-Fi is widely available at hotels and cafes. For international calls, use apps like WhatsApp or Viber. They're convenient and cost-effective. 6. Airport arrival tips.
Upon arrival in Vietnam, you won't need to worry about transportation from the airport. Asia Pioneer Travel provides private airport transfers with a professional guide to welcome and assist you, ensuring a smooth and comfortable start to your journey.
7. Culture and etiquette. When visiting temples or pagodas, dress modestly. Cover your shoulders and knees. Remove your shoes before entering local homes or sacred places.
You have to take your shoes off to go in many of them.
Vietnamese people are friendly and appreciate a warm smile. A simple xin chào or cảm ơn can go a long way in making local connections.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Come on. Come on.
8. Climate at a glance. Vietnam's climate ranges from region to region.
The north has 4 seasons, with hot, rainy summers and cool, dry winters. It's best to visit during autumn or spring, when the weather is most pleasant.
The central region can be rainy from October to December. The south is hot year-round, with a rainy season from May to October.
Best time to travel to Vietnam is from November to April,
when the weather is pleasant and rainfall is low. We hope this video has helped you prepare for your journey to Vietnam. Asia Pioneer Travel is always here to ensure your trip is smooth, safe, and enjoyable from start to finish. See you soon.